Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be on 5 amazing convertible or reversible projects, DIY projects that I've made. So guys, I've been editing all the videos that I've been working on. I said I have a capsule wardrobe I want to make, and yes, I've been working on it and I've been editing so much. So this week I couldn't put out a new video because I'm not done editing, but by next week I'm going to be dropping something new. So get ready guys, I'm so here for you. And without further ado, let's get stitching.
Way back a year ago.
And yes, this is the tie front top. You can style it in any way. There are so many ways, over 7 ways. So I like using 7 because 7 is like my lucky number, and it can be styled in over 7 ways. It's beautiful, it's amazing, it's classy. You can use it anyhow you want. If you want it covered up, you can cover it up. If you want it open, probably you're going to the beach, you can do that as well. It's beautiful guys. And yes guys, this is the bucket hat. It's beautiful, I love it. I love how it's turned out. A little tweak I'm going to make is making the brim wider, because it's going to even give it that more effect of a bucket hat. So if you're making yours, you can make it wider and you can make it like this. It's your choice. So I love this as well because it's actually really comfortable and it makes me look really nice. So I really love it. I hope you guys love it as well. And guys, this is what the reversible pillowcase looks like. It's amazing, it's beautiful. Just enjoy what you're watching. It's amazing. I love how it's turned out. It turned out really well, and I am so excited for it.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more.
And yes, this is the convertible wrap pants. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's everything guys, it's everything anyone would want. You can style it as a jumpsuit. This can actually be styled as a jumpsuit, as a jacket, pants. It's basically amazing. A cape guys. So you're going to see all the videos here right now. I'm sure you guys would love it when you wear it. It's amazing. It's so amazing.
Never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
And guys, this is the reversible scrunchy bag. Look at it. It's amazing, beautiful on the inside and on the outside. I can't wait to carry it everywhere, literally everywhere. I love it so much. It's so comfortable, so spacious as well. Even if it's small, it's still spacious. So this is one amazing bag. So guys, that's the end of this amazing DIY projects. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share within and outside your circle. Comment in the comment section so that I'll know what else you guys would like me to make. I have so many things in store. So like I said earlier, I was editing, that's why I couldn't put out a video this week, but I hope this works so much. Please guys, like this video, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.
Okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.